Good morning to all my students. I hope you're doing well. So today's session is about can and can't. We're gonna see the difference between them. So let's start with the example number one. I can speak English. I can speak English. So here we have the modal verb can. So we're gonna see what are the uses of can. Number one, ability or possibility. Ability, which means that I'm able to do something or it is possible to do it. For example, I can swim. I can swim. So here I'm able to swim or it is possible to swim. For example, another example, I can speak French. So I am able to speak French language. Or for example, I can dance. So I know how to dance. I'm able to dance. Number two, we have permission. So I'm asking about the permission to do something. For example, you can use my pencil. So here I'm giving the permission to do an action. You can use my pencil. So here we're gonna see the form of using the modal verb can. So first of all, we start with subjects. So here we have all the subjects: I, you, he, she, it, we, and they, plus can, plus the verb. For example, I can play piano. This is as sentences. I can play the piano. So here, the base form of the infinitive. So we have normally the infinitive verb is to go. But when we have the modal verb can, we just take the base form of the infinitive, which is go, swim, and do, for example. So let's see here some examples. He can speak French. He can speak French. So here the sentence is correct because we have subjects first, then the modal verb can, then the base form of the verb. The second example, he can speak French. He can speak French. Here the sentence is incorrect, it's false, because here we didn't have the base form of the infinitive of the verb speak. Normally, this S, it should be here. So it should be, he can speak French without the S. The last example, he can to speak French. And this sentence is also false because here we add to, which means it's incorrect. So we have to keep just the base form of the infinitive, speak. So the correct sentence is, he can speak French. So here we're gonna see the difference between can, affirmative form, and can't, the negative form. So we start with subject, can, then the verb. And here, the same thing. We start with subjects, can't, the negative form, then the verb. So by the way, we can say can't or cannot. Both of them are correct. So I can say, I can't play guitar or I cannot play the guitar. Both of them are correct. So here we have another case of the uses of can and questions. For example, can you give me a pencil, please? Yes, I can. Affirmative answer, or negative answer, no, I can't. So let's start with the ability. Do you have the ability of doing something or it is possible to do it? For example, can you speak Italian? Can you speak Italian? So here I'm asking if you are able to speak Italian. If it is yes, affirmative answer, you're gonna say, yes, I can. If it is negative, you're gonna say, no, I can't. So the second example, can he swim? Can he swim? So here we took can first, then the subject, then the base form of the verb. We didn't add s or to, we just keep the main verb, swim. No, he can't. So here we have the negative answer, no, plus the subjects here. So we have in the question, we have he, the answer we have he, then can't. Next, can they dance? Can they dance? Are they able to dance? No, they can't. Negative answer, no, they can't. So we kept they here and we add the negative. The last one, can I open the door? Can I open the door? So here it's permission, it's not ability or possibility, but it is a permission. I'm asking about the permission to open the door. So here we have yes, you can, the affirmative answer. So here we have, in the question we have the subject I, but in the answer we have you. So here the only change that happens when we have I in the question, it becomes you. But the others, it's the same. He, they. But here we have I, it's became you. So let's recap quickly. So here we say can, we use it for ability or possibility. When I'm able to do something or I want to ask about someone who is able to do something, or if it is possible to do something. For example, I can sing. I'm able to sing. Number two, we have permission. I'm asking about the permission to do something. You can take my book. You can take my book. So I'm giving you a permission to take my book. Or if I want to ask, I'm gonna say, can I take your book, please? So here is permission question. Can I take your book, please? So I'm gonna answer, yes, you can take my book. So here we have can't, negative form. I can't go out. So I'm not able to go out. It's not possible to go out. Or can you go out? I'm gonna say, no, I can't. So let's move to the question form. So we have, can you draw? Are you able to draw, or did you know how to draw? We're gonna say, yes, I can. Here we have the affirmative answer. Yes, I can. Other example, can he drive? Can he drive? No, he can't. No, he can't. So here is the negative answer. So that's it. I hope it was clear. And please try to practice and write more examples. See you next session.